Hello everyone. So I have a little Christmas party coming up. We're hosting one at our house this Saturday, which is only a few days from now. And I wanted to, I've decorated the inside, everything's ready inside. I got our Christmas trees up, lights everywhere, garland everywhere, and I just needed a couple of finishing touches. I wanted to create a little flower arrangement that I could put in the bathroom. So this one's going in the bathroom. This is what I'm using. I'm using two of these, and I only need one. I only used one for this arrangement, so because they're very small vases. I got these from the Dollar Tree, I think. Yeah, I got them from the Dollar Tree. Inexpensive little, vases. Or if you have, I guess you could do it in like a mason jar if you don't feel like going out and buying something. Like a small container works for this. But anyway, let me show you how I put this together. Oh, this is boxwood. I just cut a couple of bottom branches from one of the big boxwoods that I have in the back. The flowers came from the grocery store. They were $4.99 each, which I think it's not not expensive for flowers. And again, these are fresh. So some of the materials I'm using. Clippers for this and for cutting the carnations, scissors for the tape, and I'm going to explain to you what I'm doing with the tape to make it look like this, because so I'm going to get to it and hopefully it comes out looking okay. First we have to create a grid. I'm using masking tape for this. Really simple, just cut a piece that you think will fit over it. This, but again, this is too wide, so I'm gonna cut it in half. And just gotta be careful because it'll want to stick to you and it'll want to stick to itself. So just kind of hold it tight while you're cutting it. You could also use floral tape. I just didn't have any. This is what I had in hand, so this is what I'm using. And you feel like there. And I'll cut off these little pieces at the end so you can't see them. Another thing you could do is put a bunch of twisty branches in between, like inside of it. I think that would look really cool too. Like if you have vines from, it's a good vine to use, like grapevines, or if you have anything wild growing in your garden that's twisty and kind of like twigs, now you could put a bunch of that on the bottom. Just twist it up, shove it in the bottom. I have some of that, so I might show you how to do that on that one. So they don't need to be very big pieces. I think this kind of works. I'm gonna be putting water in this at the end, and I just want to create like a big mass of it, big mass of green, and then the white poking through. Does that look? And it doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, it's something that you made. I'm not a flower arranging pro. I just know what I like and I put it together, and then if it looks good, it looks good. If it doesn't, then that's okay. We'll try again next time, right? You could do this with roses. That would look really pretty too. Carnations are not my favorite, but I love the color. I want that green poking through. I want to be able to see it. So just, mess around with it until you get it how you want it. And I think that's good. Yeah? Does that look Christmassy enough? I think it looks nice. Alright, so I went outside and I got some of these branches. I pulled this off my mailbox. I don't remember the name of the flower. It's like a vine and it has this big flower on it. You usually plant them with, it's a climbing vine. I don't know if you guys think of the name. let me know. If I look it up, I probably could remember. I think it starts with a C, like a clematis maybe. But it's really pretty flowers. I cut them all back because they were just straggly looking and they were drying up and dying basically. I think I'll come back next year. It just needed better support because the support broke. So I pulled these all back and I remember I had them in the back. So let me show you how to do this with twigs instead of using, you know, the grid. So I think it'll work just the same. So if we stick it in there with this, kind of twist it, stick it, this is messy. Let me see. I think, because you basically want to keep things in place, and I feel like this might work. Because it kind of gives it that natural look, you know? Here. Alright, let's see if that works. So, same idea, same principle. We start with, and I'm going to do this in white, because like I said, I want 2 whites. I'll probably do another red, and I'll put the other red in the other bathroom that we have downstairs in the master bedroom. Just in case people use that, you know, if the other one's busy and they really have to go, they can go in that one. Alright, so just kind of stick it in there. Oh, that kind of works. Cool. Look at that. Cute. Very cute. And I kind of like the simplicity of it. Alright, so how does that look compared to that? I think that looks a lot neater. This one looks a little messy. And I don't know if it's because of the lack of grid, like it's, or maybe I just didn't cut them all the right size. Maybe it's just the flower, like this flower, it's different. It's not the same type of flower. This looks more like this. So, you know, which is okay. Doesn't have to be perfect. They're matchy. They kind of match. I kind of love this twig. Maybe I can just like incorporate it into here somehow. Make it like a thing. Let's see. Kind of love the natural feel of it. Do the same thing on the other one so they look somewhat matchy. It's kind of cool, right? Different. Oops, that broke. Some of these are really twisty, others are not. I guess it just really dry. Not that much. They're super dry. Because I've been sitting outside, but they're kind of cool, right? Kind of love it. All right, how does that look? Good. We're good. All right, I'm gonna do the same thing to this one, so they match. And this one doesn't look so put together. It's a little too put together. Looks beautiful, but I gotta make it a bit more messy so it matches that hot mess over there. I think it looks cute. Very Christmassy. I mean, you can't go wrong with green and red. That's like the Christmas colors, but you could do any combination you want. I still need to add water to them. I don't have water in them right now, but you can kind of see the tape, but if you look at it from the top you can't see it, so I think it'll be alright. So anyway, hope you enjoy this one. And there's the, oh, I always put these little Kleenex hand towels for people to dry their hands. I need to hang that needs to go up there. But because I don't want them using my good towels. Is that bad? Like, you can wash your hands. I have soap for you, but just don't use my good towels. Use the little Kleenex hand towels I'm giving you. Anyway, happy holidays. Hope everyone's having a good time and decorating and enjoying and spending time with family. That's what this time is about. Bye.